Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hunter x Hunter non-survivor game not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting on Android phones. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix to simply restart your Android devices. So just restart your phone, and after your phone restart, go ahead, then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Hunter x Hunter non-survivor and then tap on it. And if there are any updates available for this app, then you can update it from here, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop or force close Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app. So tap and hold the non-survivor app icon, then click on app info and then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm. Then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then click on clear data. Now clearing the app data will delete the app data including files and settings, and it will be deleted permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then click on delete to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and update, then click on software update, and if there are any updates available, then you can download and install them, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If that also doesn't fix the issue, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So tap and hold the non-survivor app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it, and then you can go ahead and install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Surf VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, Turbo VPN, Nord VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and then reinstall Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app. So tap and hold the non-survivor app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Hunter x Hunter non-survivor and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once this Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app get reinstalled, then you can launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Hunter x Hunter non-survivor app not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.